This conference will now be recorded.
After cleaning the data, let me load the order sheet inside here. Let me go to sheet view. So analyze calculated field, string function, date add we did, date diff we did, and then date name we have not done. Okay, you see the date name now. Date name. That means if I want to know the date name of the month or day of the given order date. So how can we do that? That's what we are going to do here. So the function is date name. Take that function. So date part is nothing but I want to give the name of month. I want to get the I want to get to know the name of the month what is given. Okay, from the date of order date. Start of week is Monday. Optional if you want. Sorry, Sunday will be, but it's optional. If you want, you can give. So the calculation is valid. So date name, if I want to find what is the name of the month from the my order date, whether April, May, June, like that. So you need to mention the month or day, what name you want to know, because here you cannot give name of only the day and month. I have taken the order date from the date and Sunday I have taken. So apply and OK. I'm just clicking on the data view. So here can you see the date name 3rd March to 11th November and 6th is June, 10th is October, like this on the left side. You can see name of the month. You are getting it? Okay. And then next, again, I'm going to click on Analyze, going to create calculated field, taking date function. Date, important functions is date. So is date means whether it is date or not. So for example, you would have taken a date. Okay, the date format would have been changed. So it would be in wrong format. For example, it should be in day, month, year format what I've written. But some cases automatically it has been changed from month, day, year format. So automatically it may not consider as a date. So in that places, if whatever date you are having, whether it is correct format of date or not, if you want to get to know that, you can use the boolean values using the isDate functions. So boolean values means, right, it will say true or false. So isDate, I just type the isDate function, take string of order date. So apply date, double quotes, and type. For example, today date is 2018 and base 17, right? 17 and 18. And so now whether whatever I've entered is a date or not. Apply. Okay. So if I take true, it's a date. Same way if I edit here, I will just type as 18, 18, 17, 18, 20, 23. Apply OK. So it says what? False. Previously it was saying true because my date and time format was proper. Again right click, go to edit. Now 17, let it be 18, let it be year. I'll change the format year to 08. Apply. Okay. So now it is saying true because it is automatically thinking that first field is month because it is 8 and second field is more than 12, so that is thinking that that is day. So month, day, year format thinking in that way, and it is saying that that is true. Okay, so using this function we can check it out whether the date what we have is true or false. Is that clear for everyone? Anybody have any doubt in this? Why no replies? So next again I'm clicking on analyze, going to create calculated field, choosing the date functions. Okay, so here EO month, EO day like that will be there. So here it has been named as is date, that is we have done is week or is quarter, is weekday or is year. So same like this you can do anything. So whether you can find whether it's a date or you can find whether it's the quarter, which quarter it is, and you can find which week, which is whether 14th week or 13th week. Like you can see the example on the right side, whether it is weekday, first weekday or second weekday, is what is the year from the order date, everything you can separate it here. Same like day functions only. Same day functions and day here also the weekday functions. It will return the same answer here.
Excuse me, sir.
So understood? Yeah.
Sir, whatever you're getting
Tell me,
options
ma'am.
there, date, add, date, if we are not getting that, sir,
Ah,
in our system.
no. See, you click on create calculated field. There will be a small arrow mark in this page. Can you see that arrow mark?
Yes, sir.
You click on the arrow
Yeah,
mark
I
so that
got
you'll
it,
get.
sir. Thank you,
Ah.
sir. Got it, sir.
So next we are going to see string function is over, date function is over. Arithmetic functions we are going to see. That is very simple to find out minimum, maximum, average.
Itu saja, Denmark, dia tekan pokoknya.
Then so here uh, string functions, right? Sorry, arithmetic functions. So arithmetic functions is nothing but also called as number functions. You can take all these things. So, but here most of the things we will be not using inside this because this ABS to remove the negative symbols or any percentage things like and all, and power to find the power, that is squares, pi, and round off values, round off for two decimal places like that and all. So here few things we will see. For example, I'll take profit here. date wise, row ID wise, I'll take row ID wise the profit. I'll just take it here simply for reference. So ID wise the profit I've taken here. So if you see on the left side here, 42, 227, 380, and 124, like that. These values are in negative, correct? So all these negative values I don't want. Everything whatever is there, I want that values to be in the positive. So now what I will do is I'll just go to analyze tab, create calculated field. So the function name is called as ABS. Click here and type ABS. What ABS returns means absolute value of a number that what has been given. So I'll take the profit column. So absolute value of the profit what I wanted. I'll just click on apply and I'll just click on OK. I'll just take the profit and I'll just drag and drop it in. So you can see in that place below that minus 43, so 383 has come as in the positive value. Yeah. So below itself it is showing that all the negative values it is showing in the positive. So it has been turned into negative values into positive. So not only negative values, if some percent it will be removed and it will be converted into a general number. Okay. So now I'll just go for one more thing. I want analyze. So these few what I'm going to create now, this will get automatically just by enabling the summary. Enabling the summary, you will get on the right side what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, and what is the average value, and what is the sum. So even you can do that using the creating calculated field. Create calculated field and sum function, sum of profit. Apply. Okay. Sum of profit. Okay. And then minimum value, maximum value, average value. Everything you can get. Suppose if at all in the bottom you want the grand total to be displayed, I think I already showed you. You can enable the grand total also option. Analyze totals, show the grand total of the columns. So in the bottom you can see the grand total. Okay. So is that clear? Whatever I'm telling here. So sum, minimum, maximum, average. So these basic arithmetic functions you no need to find out. On the right side automatically you can able to see that function. Okay, just by summary. So you should know that, so that you don't need to spend time. Else one more option is there to come to know what is the maximum value and what is the profit, total profit. Anybody can tell me that what is the option? Anybody can tell me that? I told you one time. So if profit is there, what is total profit? What is total discount? What is total sales? What is total quantity? In one click, you can come to know that. Anyone remember that? What is the option? How we can able to get that? No, no one. Okay. So I will tell you that. So I hope you forget. Just double click on names, so you get automatically all the values. Just double click on auto generated fields of measure names. You will get the total or number of records, total profit, and total sum of sales and ABS values. Total of ABS values. Because why the ABS values level means, so two times the positive negative values are there, total added up, so that it is giving that much. Done. So now next important topic was this one. We'll take logical functions and we will work. I'll share you the logical functions workbook. This one. Hope you this file is enough. I'll just share you this file.
This conference will now be recorded.
Have you received the file? So actually, I'll one by one. First, I'll take logical one. Okay, so here will work. Then we'll go for the next one. So now I just go for sheet one. Hello, my voice is audible. Hello, has everyone loaded your data? So now this is what very important, because basically logical functions is very important in every places. Even let it be in Excel or Tableau, because that is what works based on our condition. However you want, it will work. The conditions can be given only using the logical functions. That's why these functions are very important. Logical functions, date functions are so much important. Okay, so now, so first I want to see some summary. So based on that, I can raise the questions. So worksheet, I will just enable the summary on the right side. Summary says count is 0 because I not loaded anything because of that. Just show. Okay, profit. So if I take profit, sum of profit, average, state product, customer name, and then profit. Worksheet. So, yeah, this will be best. Okay, so now here, customer name I have taken, and all their profit is given here. Okay, so the sum of the profit is 286 total, and then average is 361. Minimum is nothing but 6 rupees, and maximum only 8 rupees is there. Okay, and these are sum of profit of one person's. Okay, each and every person's total profit is given. And then medium is 228 and maximum profit is this much. Okay, so now I want to know the average, minimum, maximum. So first thing, my question is, profit is greater than, okay, then good. If not, bad. Don't want good, bad. I'll give a high, or else will give us low. Profit is greater than 2000, high. If lesser than 2000 means low. So how to write a function here? Anyone? Can you try? So first I'll click on analyze. I'll go for create calculated field. I'll just say as logical one, the name. So here I'll first give if sum of profit, and this is here. If profit is greater than 2000, okay, then you have to use what? Then, okay, high. Then what? High. In Excel it is different, here it is different. Then else low. Low also you have to do in double quotes. And end. So if profit is greater than 2000, then it should show as high. Else it has to show as low. That function gets end. So I'm giving as what? End. Execute. See what you're getting. If profit is greater than 2000, then high. Else if not, that means else is if not, low. Apply. Okay. I'm just pasting the function in the chat box also. Try. And then I'll take that. So can you see? Anywhere high, no places high, because there are no sales greater than 2000. Yeah, it is there. Yeah. So I'll tell you the reason why. Because we have to add one more condition here. If sum of profit, if sum of profit high, apply. So can you see now? Just edit the function here, because sum individually no one have taken more than 2000 profit. So individually no one has taken profit. You can see if you take just double click on profit, you can see totally each and every person are not taken. Here you see sum of profit only given. So sum of profit is greater than 2000, then high. So whichever are high, it is in blue color. Okay, whichever low, that is all in orange color. So that modified function, I will just load it here. Just let me know. It's very important function. If you have any doubt, saying calculation contains yes. Sasha, please send me that error. I will tell you what you have done. Send me that. Send me a pic of the error. So I will solve that. You there? Send the pic. See the error. First, you have to start the function with if. You are not started the function with if. If sum of profit is greater than 2000, then high, else low end. Important thing is if. You have to give if. Try with if, give beginning if, then you start the function. Getting it now? Am I checking the chat box?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
So, uh, any others have any issues with this? Now, one more condition. What I want to do, right? I just write the condition. Let me see anyone can do that. If profit less than 1000, less than 500, so less than 1000 means moderate, and then greater than 1000 means high. Anyone can do the formula and send me in the chat box for this? For this question, can anyone do the formula and send me in the chat box, or pick up that in your group? Anyone? Please you have to respond. I not understand whether your people are understanding or not, unless until you reply me something, messages or screenshots, whether you're doing or not, because no one is responding. No one is there to send. Okay, I didn't expect that this type of no replies. Okay, from the beginning only one or two person is set, replying. No one is replying for anything whenever question I ask. Okay, so what I have to do is I have only one option, whether you peoples are there or not, to check it out. I'm going to take attendance. Let me see how many peoples are there in the class or not. Okay, first thing, Shasha,
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sudipta,
Yes, sir.
then Maiman, no replies. Tanusri, no. Manasri,
Present, sir.
no. Uh-huh. Aritra Basu, Sarada,
Present, sir.
I'm not taking attendance, just checking out. Monica, Varnika,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Monica is here, sir. Hello.
okay. Varnika, Anisha,
Yes, sir.
Divya, Pavitra, Praksha, Smriti, Sushmita, P.
Yes, sir.
Sonika,
Sonika is here, sir.
Adrita, Adrita, Ifra, Banuja, Sai Shivani.
Present, sir.
So almost out of 20 people, 10 people are replying. Remaining 10 people are not there in the class. Okay. So now Sudipta told that if sum of profit is less than 500, then low. Else, here Sudipta, what you have to do is don't. I'm going to continue the function, right? Don't give else. Give else if. Else if means one more condition. I'm going to start. Okay. So how? I'll just show you here. Analyze, create calculated field, logical to if sum of profit is less than 500, low. Else if, eh, else if sum of profit is less than 1000, sum of profit is less than 500, then low. Else if sum of profit is less than 1000, then moderate.
So the screen is not visible.
Hello. Now my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, yeah, there was some technical issue. My laptop got automatically closed. Okay. Now, if sum of profit is less than 500, then low. Else, if sum of profit is less than 1000, then moderate. Okay. Else, that means automatically greater than it will take. Else, high end. So, if sum of profit is less than 500, then low. Else, if sum of profit is less than 1000, then moderate. Else, greater than 1000 automatically take. Greater than or equals to 1000 will take automatically. So, that considered as high. So apply. I'll just take that. I'll take one more condition here. I'll just remove the first one. And second, logical one I'll remove. Logical two also I'll remove. Now again I'll take logical two. So now you can see three things now. Red color or moderate, which are between 1500, okay, and low or less than 500. You can see it here. Mostly everything or less, and high or greater than 1000. You can see everything here. So can you just here, I'll just give a proper visualization for this. Yeah, this will be a proper visual. Okay, create this visuals for question what I raised you. Okay, after raising this visual, can you please send me a pic of this visual? This logical 2, what we are doing. So here you can see automatically low, high, and moderate profit. There is actually there is these are all not less than. If I give zero, right, I'll come to know what is the loss also. What I'll give, right? I'll just edit the function here. I'll say uh, less than 1 rupees or low 500, 1000 above, like this. If I give apply, okay, so still I'll be getting getter. So whatever that yellow color things are there, loss, no profit, all are loss. Okay, and blue are good, high profit, and red are okay, okay, moderate profit. So create this visual and send me. Let me see how many of you are replying. Don't get think just I want to know, at least you have to do few things which are very important things I will be asking, which are not too much important for working related things. I will not force you to do send, which are very important. You should must learn in Tableau the things I will compulsorily ask you from your side into send assignments, because at least if you concentrate on that things you can achieve some things in the real time more. Okay, few small tools you can learn it better. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Good. Others? Only three. SG, who's that? Okay. Okay. Can you show the formula again? Yeah, I'll show you. Right click. Sorry. Right click on the logical to edit. Can you see now? Good. The third person's no, right? I think yeah, it's a good initiative that you have shown the text box. So still, it will be good one to highlight. Looks nice. Okay. So you have taken the sales. I taken the text. Okay. If not, you can take the profit itself. You can put it like this. Yeah. Still good. Look, really look. So now, uh, what I will raise one more question is, I'll just show. Let's clear this. Place create calculated field. I'll take a logical function. These are same, and also you can use if you want one more expressions. Okay, what is that and? How to use that and means if sales, okay, sales and profit of customer name. I'll just tell you later. I'll just take customer name and the profit and the sales. In this order I want. This is the sales and profit. If sales is greater than 1000 and profit is also greater than 1000, if the sales is greater than 1000 and profit also greater than 1000, then high. Okay, if sales and profit both or greater than 1000, then high. Okay. Actually, I done 1000 sales and profit also I got 1000 rupees. That means it's good because where in some scenarios 3000 I have sold, but I got only 281 rupees profit. So in that case, if sales and profit both are greater than 1000, sales also I did more than 1000 rupees and I got profit also more than 1000 rupees. Okay, then high, else low. Anyone can write function for this? I'll tell you the hint. Hint is you have to use AND function. And moreover that, Tableau also will give you the hint. And I'm showing the hint on my screen also. Understand? Shall I go to Tableau back? Yeah. For this, and the next one more column, logical tree will be the title. Okay. And for that, you tell me which are high and which are low. Yeah, कन्नड़ ठीक है false है. Can you show the formula again? Okay, this is different one. Huh? Okay. Anyone have written? Okay. Now I will start doing that. Analyze, create calculated field, logical tree. Okay. If sum of sales and sum of profit greater than 1000, I think 10,000 I can, then high, else, else low. Sum of sales and sum of profit are greater than high. Then, if it's greater than 1000, then high, else low. In function. Any errors? Yes, error. What is the error? And function, if I try. Can't logically and float Boolean values. A sum of sales and sum of profit are greater than coming error 1 second. 1000 and sum of sales is greater than 1000, sum of profit greater than 100. Sum of sales is greater than 1000 and sum of profit is greater than 1000, then high, else low, else end. Okay, now I just apply this function. Okay, take the logical 3, high, which have done the sales and profit more than high, and which have done sales and profit less than 1000. So sales is less than greater than 1000, but what to do? Profit is less than 1000 only. Okay, so in this case, more or failed, high only few. Understanding that? So that in a good visualization. Yes, this I like it. Sales, okay, and the profit. Now in the measure names, colors 2 are 2. I'll just take the logical tree and also put it into colors. Now you can see the blue color which are high and orange color which are low. Adam and here Adrian and Alan, they have done high sales. Remaining and all have done less sales. This uh, this view is good for you. It's looking good. Other than that, nothing's fine. Is that clear? Is it clear for everyone? You are getting it, or I need to show the formula once again? I'll show even. I'll take logical 3, edit. If sum of sales is greater than 1000 and sum of sales is profit is greater than 1000, then high, else low, end. You want give one more also. Again, and if sum of sales is greater than 1000 and sum of sales is profit is greater than 1000 and quantity, sum of quantity is greater than something, then high, else low, effective. Can write however you wanted here. Just let me know you got it. Yeah, good. Fine. Okay, now next what you're going to see is, hope you would have got some understanding about what is logical functions. Okay, so only low I'll remove it, and only I'll keep the profit people who have done profit. only they are there in the list. So I will have other things with that. So next I'll remove this for LOD functions. Please make a note of it. What is LOD function is slightly different. Okay, low level of functions, and here it goes for LOD calculations. Okay, so level of detail expression is nothing but called as what? LOD function. LOD functions, okay, are employed to execute complex queries at data source level. Instead of bringing them in Tableau interface, being in table functions, there only I work. I will not bring them into the Tableau interface. Being in the query itself, I will work. Basically, calculated field also will do like that also. But LOD is very different. We will not work on interface. We will work on data source in query place itself, and we will create LOD functions. Okay. So now, if you see, there are what are the LOD functions are there in Tableau means aggregation and granularity, high and low, dimension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Visualization LOD, and granularity will be in two parts. One is high and low. And then what is LOD expression in Tableau? In Tableau, expressions referencing unaggregated data. Aggregated data means, you know, right? AGG will come. The unaggregated data source columns are computed for each row in the underlying table. In row level expression, the dimensionality of the expression in row level. I just show you that in practically, and here next concept. So the syntax of LOD expression is two things. One is dimension declaration and aggregate expressions. Only two things. One is dimension declarations and aggregate expressions. So these are the what? Syntax of expressions. See, you can see here I'm using what? Colon. In this function we'll be using what? Colon. Types of LOD functions. Three will be there: include, exclude, and fixed. Include, exclude, I forgot to put the what to say, the title here. This is include and this is exclude and this is fixed. Forgot to put the title in the places. So include means include computes values using the specified dimension in addition to whatever dimensions are in the view. Include computes values using the specified dimension in addition to whatever dimensions are there in the view. Whatever is there, it will be using that. Okay, and then this is the include functions syntax. What you have to do? So what we are going to find out here, what is the sales per customer? What is the sales per customer? And in this place, LOD functions, we are not going to start with any other equals or some direct things. We are going to start the LOD function with flower brackets. Okay, and include customer ID colon sum of sales. What is the sales per customer? If I want to find out, okay, I'm taking the customer ID, include customer ID and their sum of sales. Understanding? So can just anyone explain me that? So now I'll just show you that what is the sales done by each customer. Sales, what is the sales per customer? So here I'll just create analyze, create calculated field, sales per customer. I'll just create it here, and flower bracket I'll use. Okay, include customer ID. Sorry, the data here we don't have customer ID. I'll just remove it. I'll take our sample superstore data. Sample superstore data and data. Just take order sheet here from the sample superstore. Customer ID is there, customer name is there. It's fine. I'll go to the sheet view, analyze, create calculated field, sales per customer. So colon, include the customer ID, okay, colon, and what is the sum of sales per each customer ID, and close flower bracket. And this will tell you what is the sales done by each customer. Execute the function. Exclude means we can remove only that. Remaining you can keep it like that. But here we have separate one include exclude options. On the right side, why do right click include exclude, right? That is different. This is different. This is beginning. We will see in depth also. Still two functions are there. Today we will see include, then we will see exclude and fixed also. In depth we have to see because LOD functions are important. And QTD, YTD also still pending. That also we have to do that. Okay, I just do apply and click on OK. Now I just take the sales for each customer. Sales for each customer has been done. In one more sheet, customer name and sales. Okay, is the sales done by each customer. Can you see that here? And I do right click and go for count. Count cannot be done. Okay, yeah, this is the perfect way. Count means everybody will have done minimum one. Take customer ID and data. That is also same. based on each customer ID, what is the total sales has been done. So this is one person name wise, and this is customer ID wise. Done? You're getting it?
Yes, sir.
Any others? Have any issues?
Excuse me, sir. I
Yeah.
had a doubt. Uh, yes, sir. You have only given one Excel and one Tableau last week's assignment till now, right?
No, pivot assignments, function library, and three Tableau assignments.
No, no. I mean, last first week you at the end of the week you gave an Excel assignment, and then first week, and then last week you gave one Tableau assignment on
Yes,
like drill down hierarchy and all that.
yes, yes,
This
yes,
week,
yes.
have you still sent any assignment on
No,
the
no, no.
group?
Tomorrow. I'll do it.
Yeah, for so this week's lessons, we'll have an assignment for the weekend,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, exactly.
Okay, sir.
But this week I plan to give more assignments. Let me see. I'm going on working on that. Okay, how many assignments we
Okay,
can give?
sir. Um, okay, sir.
Okay, so is that clear for everyone that whatever we have covered today? Okay, so remaining exclude function and fixed function, depth of that, and uh, YTD, QTD, MTD. All these things we will see to cover in the next sessions. So by next class, if we complete the calculated field, that is functions part, then we can expect more things. Okay, bye everyone. We'll see in the next class.